There she is, my brothers and sisters, I should mention, the $100 beauty, officially declared by myself the 8th wonder of the world. Right, I'm just putting the camera on time lapse a minute. It's Thursday afternoon. We're going to try and raise this beast, but first I have to go around and triple check all the wire ropes, etc. If you can see the bend in the middle of the tower, so what I'm going to have to do is really crank up the top turnbuckle. We've got this wire running along the top. That's the one I need to tighten up. As I tighten that up, that bend should decrease. Hasn't really made much difference anyway. We're going to slowly try putting this up. It is a bit worrying because it's the first time I will have put something that's this weight on that length of tower, so we're going to take it very slowly. Right, to be honest, it feels pretty good. And lo and behold, it just dawned on me why it wouldn't be spinning, because the wires are all tied to this piece of metal. We'll concentrate on that while I finish up the wiring. Right, nothing as of yet, but I've got it linked up to the meter, so if we do get anything, we will have a visual record of it. So we're obviously still in testing and learning mode at the moment. I'm going to try and film the actual turbine with this camera, which is better. The wind is coming obviously from right to left as we're looking, and it is kind of blocked by the house. When it moves around this way, it should pick up more. Oh, yes, that's it. Maybe it's off centre somehow, and when it starts going, it eventually moves round to the left. I don't know. As this is actually the first time it's spun on the higher tower, which still hasn't been aligned 100%. It is low wind, 9 miles an hour. Here we go. There she is, my brothers and sisters, I should mention, the $100 beauty, officially declared by myself the 8th wonder of the world. And you notice how the tail's slightly off. I'm going to go back a bit and we'll see. As you're looking at it now, I think the tail is a couple of inches over this way too much, i.e. it's not going back perfectly straight, so that may be something to look into. I don't know, even though the tail's moving around, I'm not 100% sure it's following the wind correctly. It almost seems like it's getting up a bit of a go and then it's just sort of taking itself out the wind. See the 2 bolts on the end of the tapered shaft? I'm just going to go have a look if the meter made anything when it had that little whirl. I love that noise. I love that noise.